Okay, today we're going to do a little bit of review. We're going to do adding and subtracting fractions. In example 1 right here, I have two fractions that are have a different denominator. Now you may remember that the denominator is the number on the bottom and the numerator is the number on the top. So this is denominator and this is numerator. And that when the denominators are different, we either have to find the common denominator, or we could do what I like to kindly call the Korean method, because a Korean student showed me this trick. So I'm going to put in red the steps. So first step is you multiply 2 times 3, or the denominators, and that's step 1. And what this gives me at this point is 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So I put the line over here, and I put a 6 on the bottom, because 2 times 3 is 6. Then, the next step that I got to do is I have to multiply the top, or the numerator of the first number, with the denominator of the second number. In this case, it is 1 times 3. This is step 2. And 1 times 3 gives me 3. My third step is the denominator of the first number multiplied by the numerator of the second number. And I do this right here, little arrow, and this gives me a 3 number. That's the third step. And what that gives me is I give the charge of that number, the property of that number, which is 2 times 2 is 4. And since there's a no negative between them, it's adding. That equals 3 plus 4 is 7 over 6. And I just combine those terms, and that's the first example. It's perfect. Okay, the second example. Okay, here's my second example. My second example is 1/2 minus 2/3. Let's do the steps again, just like I said earlier. The first step is multiplying the two denominators. That's the first step. That multiplying those two denominators is 2 times 3 is 6.